Good morning.
Good morning, everyone! I'm too lazy to get up. I need more time, please. Adults are having their coffee before we start our day today. It's a long day for sure today. Our day 2 here in Jumeirah. We were planning to swim today, but before that, we just roam around the place. This is the main swimming pool. It's under renovation right now. Sayang, because I miss this. It would be nice if I also experienced this main pool. I will show you a photo of the main pool before. Anyway, it's raining today. We decided to swim in the family pool. Don't you worry, even if it's raining or windy, all the swimming pool are heated. The wind is getting stronger, and I'm starting to feel cold. Help me! Please help me! Get a towel! Can't you see I'm feeling cold? Hindi naman nakisama ang weather. Ano ba yan? Nasaan nga si Haring Araw? Magpakita ka na, please! Adults do not want to swim because they feel cold. You know, adults. Marites muna before going to swim. Since I cannot stand the cold anymore, we moved into the indoor pool in the spa because it was too cold outside. We forgot that they have an indoor pool. It's only for females. Men's are not allowed because they have their own spa for men. My mom and Tita Mahal will swim later. Let's go, guys!
Smile.
Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.